Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.